I'm Gauhar Khan.
Hi, namaste. I'm Ila.
Namaskar, I'm Pallavi Sharda.
And you're watching us on Biscuit TV.
So, congratulations to all of you. And what is the response that everybody has been getting? I mean, the numbers say it all. Right now we have 7 million views already in 24 hours, and that's such an achievement because after you've put in so much work, hard work, blood, sweat, and everything in between for a movie like this, and then people are loving the trailer and we're getting crazy number of views and appreciation of every kind.
They find it very dramatic, very, but they're thrilled with it.
Yeah.
And they are waiting and what's going to happen.
And speaking about the preparation, you all had a workshop for this before the movie.
Yeah.
So what was that like?
We had a workshop where we had our chemistry going so strongly that today we are all in black. I don't know how. That's how our telepathy is actually, because we're all in tune with that. Just kidding. But yeah, we had about 20 days of workshop before we went on to the set, which was in Hyderabad. And it was all led by Sujit sir. And he was very clear in what he wanted us to do. But he gave us the liberty of choosing our own backstory for every character. So as days went by, we made up our own backstories of where these characters have come from. How did they end up here? What are the equations with each other? And that kind of helped us a lot in our performances once we were on set. Yeah, no,
And how was it working with Vidya?
I'll tell you, it was fun. It was very exciting. She is, as far as I am concerned, she is much younger. And I found that the bubbly Vidya, when she used to step into the courthouse, she had a different energy. And that was, I mean, because I have acted in Mandi and I worked with Shabana and Smita. And here you see a young girl portrayed with that kind of a strength, you know. It was really, very enlightening experience. A girl of her age is giving the strength, the power to the character. And otherwise, very bubbly, very full of life, positive energy. We all were, I mean, we were friends. Yeah, friends.
she was the youngest of the lot. She was the youngest. But yeah, it's today,
yeah.
it's
Happy
her
birthday,
today.
Ilaji!
Thank you.
Yes, in fact, the energy that Ilaji is talking about is great because we, as you know, people who've done a few films, whereas we see these amazing actors who've been around, veterans who've been around for so many years, and yet they're so eager to learn and they want to, you know, vibe through us. They want to, you know, take the energy from us and give us that. So it was a fulfilling experience as an actor.
But
with
today, today in front of camera, I want to say something. That, of course, I did have Mandi in my mind. And I worked with actresses like, there was a bunch, just like them. That bunch was of Soni Razdan, Neena Gupta, myself and Sheila from Bengal. And they sort of very experienced trained actors. But they surprised me with their kind of energy, their kind of vibrance, and their kind of collective effort too. It was really a great feeling. Seeing that, you know, after Mandi, again I am seeing, you know, such juicy performance. And some of them are very new to this kind of era, you know, this kind of quota and all. But you people were brilliant. And they all, one thing is very good that because it was set in a period in 1947, so all of them are coming from different states, Punjab, Gujarat, and they try to perfect their language and the dialect, which they were speaking so naturally. That was probably master stroke of Shriji. That 1947, then why can't they speak their own language? They personally worked on the language part of it. And when they are there in sort of anger or they are speaking their language, and they are very naturally, very Is, you know.
Speaking of, we just spoke about how the movie is in 1947. But Vidya just told us that, even today, as women, we still see those kind of it could have easily been present today or in today's time also. So do you think that women still feel those kind of issues? Not exactly similar, but that issues are still there for women. They are very, very much feminine today also.
Yeah, I think there's a universality to what a woman goes through. I mean, for the last many ages, women have struggled with issues in relation to their body, to sexuality, to their status, to career, to their status against men. Like if you look at, in fact, an interesting juxtaposition is that the women of the court are obviously women, and the members of the state, removing them, are men. So there's also that kind of man versus woman sort of hierarchy which has existed through the ages in society and still exists today, in my opinion. I think that discrepancy is still there. So I think the setting and the place is partitioned because you give a story a setting, but the themes and the values and the feelings are very universal.
I think the line on the poster says it all. When freedom fought independence. We are independent today, but we're all just craving to be free.
And Vidya told us there was some difficulty of living in Jharkhand because of the weather, like you just told us, the snakes and everything crawling around. So I've heard that you guys
Was there any? It was a difficult shoot. We were located an hour and a half away from where the set was. So every day, imagine waking up at like 4 o'clock in the morning, driving an hour and a half, then getting to shoot, finishing your 10 hours over there, driving back an hour and a half. I'm just saying, minimum of 10 hours, and then driving back an hour and a half, and literally you would just go like, out to charge me,
Sometimes I was like, should I take it?
And such a hot weather, but and rocks also. So this was burning.
And कभी-कभी 46 degrees, 45 degrees, you are just shooting in heat and suddenly बारिश आ जाएगी. Suddenly तूफान आ जाएगा.
Like we kind of had teaming.
पेंट बहुत हुई इसमें लड़कियाँ. कभी-कभी हमको लगा एक्टिंग है. बहुत ये बेहोश इतनी जल्दी कैसे? वो बेहोश इतनी जल्दी कैसे?
और मेरे सोल में कोल घुस गया था जलता हुआ क्योंकि एक दिन आतिशबाजी थी. So we were all in that spirit and everything. किसी को याद भी नहीं. वो गिरे वही है और
वो इंडिपेंडेंस
वही और
जी स्टोरी लाइन
मां नहीं बोल रहा है.
ओह सॉरी
मेरे सर में चल गए.
मैं सिर्फ पंखा कर रही थी गर्मी थी.
तो हाँ ऐसी बहुत सारी कठिनाइयाँ आई लेकिन ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग उस मोमेंट में हमें कुछ नहीं पता चल रहा था. एक जैसे एक जुनून चढ़ता है ना दिमाग पे. We were all in that junoon.
And in fact, when we came back to Bombay, I remember it was raining heavily on that. And एक दिन मेरा पूरा पैर अंदर गया. There was a big puddle in the road, and I had water, muddy water until like here on my leg. I didn't even feel it.
Yeah.
I was like, अच्छा ये तो कुछ भी नहीं है. चलो. But I was very sad because I didn't get chance to sing in the film, and the film has got really beautiful.
Please sing for us now.
No, I can't. Please. I can't because Anu Malik will kill me. The kind of composition, the way Asha ji has done, and then the whole song of Shreya has done it. Beautiful, very nice music. So I think we have a lot to offer. And the film and we must come and see Devanda on the 14th of April.
Okay, on that note, thank you so much, ladies, for talking to us.
Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Gohar Khan.
Hi, namaste. I'm Ila Arun.
Namaskar, I'm Pallavi Shanta.
And you're watching us on Biscuit TV.